Hey guys, Feyachi sent me one of their newest products that's out on the market. What we have here, it is the model TB-30, and this is a soft-sided rifle case that holds two rifles. So let's take a look at it. What's kind of neat about this rifle case is it comes in its own bag. It has like a, I don't know, like a dust cover, if you will. They have a nice, in my opinion, a nice rifle bag inside of this. Put that aside. It does come with a separate shoulder strap here, which connects to a couple of D-rings that are on the outside of the bag. Well, here's the bag. You can see you have the Feyachi name here. We have the loop side of hook and loop up here for patches. You have a nice big pocket here, and that has two zippers in it, or two pockets here that go halfway in. It reaches to here, you know, quite deep, and these zippers are very smooth. I actually used this the other day to go to the range, and I really like the way this is set up. So unzip this front pouch. You have a nice big size pouch here. You've got a couple of D-rings that are here. You pull this up. It has hook and loop that keeps that together. You have pockets here on both sides. In the front, you have a couple of zippers. And this is stitched down the middle. And you have two mesh pockets here. And what I did is I put a couple of handguns in these, and the rifle's on the inside of the bag. And what's neat about these zippers is, I know you can't see it from there, but it has the rings on it, so you can put a padlock on there in case you're in a restricted state like I am, to where your firearms have to be in a locked container during transport. Also on the front, we have two pretty good size pockets here that have those same buckles that we have up top. Also hook and loop fasteners. And this is quite roomy. I mean, it'd be great for like a first aid kit or whatever other supplies you take to the range with you. I put all my magazines inside of this little case here, and it fits perfectly in this pocket. Like I said, this is a really good setup for myself. And we have a hook and loop fastener that holds the two handles together. We have a couple of buckles here. More zippers. Like I mentioned before, these zippers are very smooth. And it opens up here. Then we have a pocket here and a pocket on this side, so you slide your buttstock in one side and the barrel in the other. Then you have a couple of hook and loop straps here to secure the firearm. Then you have this center divider here, and then the same thing on this side. You have the little pockets here and the hook and loop straps for another firearm. Then it has a little pull-up wall here that's about, I don't know, 3 inches deep to help protect your firearm that's on this side. And I just happen to have one of the firearms I took with me. And this is a little rimfire rifle with an 18-inch barrel. And it fits in there perfectly. It'll fit a wide variety of barrels, or excuse me, firearms. It's 42 inches wide. Here is an AR-15 with a 16-inch barrel, and that has plenty of room. It'll fit an 18-inch barrel, no problem, as long as your firearm does not exceed 42 inches. It should fit. Okay. Now, another feature of this, let's flip it over on the back side. We have two carry handle straps here, and then you have another pouch here, which you unzip that, and it exposes shoulder straps so you can wear this like a backpack. And these are adjustable for length. It also has the center strap for across the chest here. Just a really nice setup. Alright, so there you have it, the Feyachi TB-30 soft-sided double rifle case. If you guys are interested in this product, you want to take a look at it, you'll find the links down below. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.